What's up, everybody? Welcome back. So, quick little video. Package came in and it was from FedEx. I literally thought it was a Mobile X SIM card. I was like, wow, it came in like really quickly, but it's not. But I wanted to make this video and I'm going to post it also on the Pixel Superfans. Shouts out to them. Posting this on YouTube and on TikTok. But thank you to the Pixel Superfans. This is actually pretty cool. So, they did have a giveaway thing, and I know that they announced their winners. So, big shout out to the winners that won either Pixel Buds Pro, Pixel Watch LTE model, or Pixel 7 or Pixel 7 Pro. Of course, I didn't win, but it's okay because the community had my back with that big banger, that big shocker. If you guys didn't see that, I'll link the video in the description. But anyways, so for attending, this came in. It's like, thank you for joining us for the Pixel Superfans Insider event. We hope you enjoy these limited edition prints produced exclusively for Pixel Superfans as a token of our appreciation. Your passion for Pixel motivates us to keep making our devices more helpful, and your feedback continues to drive us forward. Thank you for being a superfan. Cheers, the Pixel team. And what I got is, as I said, limited edition cards. So yeah, if you're not gonna find these anywhere, unless someone like, Ghetto Rig makes them. But anyways, so the first card with the note from the Pixel Superfan team has what the other cards are. So you got the whole thing right there. So that's gonna be, I'm gonna have to find like a glass frame that shows both front and back so people can see that. But yeah, then we got them in individuals. So got the Pixel Watch schematics right there from Google. That's pretty awesome. You get to see all the intricate parts of the watch itself. So we have the frame, we have all that good stuff, the battery, every working component part is right there. I think that's pretty neat. We got the Pixel 7, so now I know what my Pixel 7 looks like gutted. It's right there. It's pretty awesome. And it's in the Obsidian Black version, so that's pretty sweet. I think this is cool. We got the Pixel 7 Pro also in the Obsidian Black with all its intricate parts. So that's really nice. And we got the insides of the Pixel Buds Pro, which I've always been curious to know how all this stuff looks and works, and wow, that is crazy insane. You can see the drivers and every little part. That is really awesome. So shout out to the Pixel Superfans for sending that out to me. I really appreciate that. It was an honor to be able to watch the Pixel Insiders event. It was really cool to see the product managers from each team, whether it was from the Pixel devices, the product manager for the Pixel Watch, Pixel Buds Pro, software engineers, all of them basically giving up their time to sit down and be interviewed by Tech Me Out and give us insight to like why these things exist within the Pixel 7. Why is the Pixel Watch this way? We got to like listen to a lot of good information. And me being a Pixel super fan, I mean, I appreciate this. This is amazing. So big shout out to them. Thank you so much for the gift. I really appreciate it. I had no idea this was coming. They did not tell me anything about this coming. So it was just like, whoa. But all right, that's it. Pretty much it for this video. Like it on whatever platform you're on. But yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.